Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the ghost touch problem on your Nothing Phone 4a. So first, what you guys want to do is remove the screen protector or a case. Let me explain why. Basically, whenever we got our case, it's covering the bezel, so the dark part, the dark line between the screen and the side of the phone. Then if it's going over it, it's touching the screen, then ghost touches can appear out of nowhere, so it can just tap random things. As you guys can see, now we are in the music player. Don't know what this app actually does, but it just brought us here. And that's what a ghost touch does. Now, what you guys want to do is simply remove it. And for the screen protector, if your screen protector is not aligned properly with the screen, it's going off to the edges or to the sides, doesn't matter from which side exactly, then remove it and make sure that it's applied properly next time. Next, what you guys want to do is clean the screen to remove any debris, moisture, and as a bonus, we're going to clean some fingerprints because we are using the microfiber cloth right here. So, we're going to swipe the screen twice. Now, it should be definitely enough to keep our screen clean for a while. And after that, what are we going to do as a last resort is update our software. So, we're going to scroll down to the settings. Now, go all the way down to About Phone and click on Nothing OS. Click Nothing OS again and click Check for Update. Now, as you guys can see, my software is up to date, but if yours isn't, then I recommend you updating it. It's very important to keep up with the latest version without any glitches, because we want to make sure that there's nothing old running on our device. So, that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.